This is the Moonlyte fireplace door for zero clearance fireplaces, also known as prefab fireplaces. This sleek fireplace glass door features a sturdy frame with a brushed satin nickel finish. The Moonlyte has trackless bifold doors that feature 2 panes of glass in each door that allow them to fold in half and open 180 degrees. The glass in the doors is clear, 1/4-inch tempered safety glass. As a safety reminder, always keep the doors open when burning a fire. The high heat can discolor the frame and shatter the glass. This is a big no-no. This door does not come with mesh curtains or other spark protection. However, if your zero clearance fireplace does not already have mesh curtains installed and you would like to add that extra layer of safety, Fireplace Doors Online does offer these separately under our hearth accessories. The aluminum main frame is 1 inch wide the whole way around, giving the door a slim appearance. The Moonlyte door shown here is 35 and 13/16 inches wide and 20 and 7/8 inches tall, but this door can be custom sized for any prefab fireplace. This replacement fireplace door also works with the following factory-built fireplace model: FMI, Heat and Glow, Heatilator, Majestic, Marco, Martin, Preway, Superior, and Temco. The Moonlyte is an inside fit door only. It comes fully assembled with all mounting hardware included for an easy installation. Outfit your zero clearance fireplace in style today with the Moonlyte fireplace door, locked in at contractor pricing.